Body butter, why you need this. Remember when they used to say margarine is really good for you, and now all of a sudden everybody's saying go back to butter, it's much better for you? I kind of have the same feeling about a lot of the topical stuff we use on our skin, right? Chapstick, you end up being addicted to it. There's all kinds of synthetic ingredients in it, fragrances, hormone disruptors in these types of things that we're using on our bodies every single day. So I went back to the drawing board, and I have a lot of patients, especially who are undergoing surgery or have had pregnancy, that have had complaint of stretch marks. I came up with the ultimate formula to help prevent stretch marks, and not only that, but provide long-lasting moisture, right? So this is my body butter. It has grass-fed beef tallow in it. If you've never used that before, you have to try this out. It lasts all day long. This jar will last you months, okay? As opposed to this topical stuff that's all smooth and creamy, it smells really nice, and then you have to reapply 2 or 3 times a day even. My patients that have used this have said that in addition to preventing stretch marks, it's also helped prevent various skin conditions that they've had notorious problems with, and nothing else seemed to work. The main reason why is I don't use any synthetic stuff in this, all right? We've got evidence-based stuff that's been shown to work to help relieve dryness in your skin. We got beeswax in here, we got cocoa shea butter, we got vitamin E, that's been shown to prevent stretch marks, okay? This is safe for a pregnancy. My wife put something similar to this on when she went through all her pregnancies. She had 0 stretch marks, so I wanted to provide something together that I feel very strongly behind that will help prevent stretch marks and help soothe your itchy skin, dryness, and last a lot longer and is safe for you and your body. This is the body butter. You use it once a day, more if you need to, but I doubt it. You can check it out on our website, postoprecovery.com.